How to add a song in Edits and Instagram app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, you are in this project section. From here, you can create a new post. So in order to add a song, you can create a post where you want to add this song. Tap on this plus bar. Select the files in order to create the post. Once you are in this edit page, now in order to add a song, here you can see the audio option in the bottom left corner. Tap on it. It will prompt you to the list of musics. From here you can explore through different musics that you can add to your post. There are different categories like trending musics, the original audios. You can even search for your preferred audio. You can tap on the search bar and search for the music that you want to add. So once you find the music of your choice, you can simply tap on it to preview this. From here you can listen to the glimpse of this music. If you like this, you can go ahead with this. If you want to try different music, you can select different music. And if you want to add this music to your post, you can tap on this next button. You can adjust the timeline in the music over here. And once you're done, you can tap on this done button in the top right corner. And there you go. Now if you play your post, the song has been added successfully. So if you want to make further tweaks and changes, you can do so. Otherwise, you can simply save this post. So that's it. That's how you can easily add a song in Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.